So welcome back guys. I am here to teach you this question. This question is from geometry. Okay, as you can see there is a figure above and we have to know which of these condition must be true for M and P, and there are four options and we're gonna choose one option. Okay, so trust me guys, this question is one of the most important question you will ever see, and without wasting any time, let's do this question. Okay, you can see what we are given, that x and y are parallel. Okay, this is x and this is y and these are parallel. Okay, and they are intersected by the lines b, w and z. Okay, v, w and z, they are intersected by these lines, and I want to clear you guys that w and z might seem parallel but they are not, because we are not given. Until and unless we are given they are parallel, we can't infer that. Okay, and here is the value of q and n, and there is a condition. Okay, the condition looks very good. Okay, r is less than q is the condition, right? And which of the following is true about m and p? Okay, where is m and where is p? This is p. Okay, this is p and this is m. Okay, so let's do this in this triangle. Okay, because we have things here, we can do something. And as you can see in this triangle that I have drawn, okay, there, this is p, this is vertically opposite angle, and this is q, this is vertically opposite angle as well, and this is unknown angle, right? But there is n given, so we can say that this is a straight line, right? This is a straight line, so it will be 180 minus n, right? So we got the every angles from this triangle, right? P, Q and 180 minus n, and we know the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So let's write it down. Okay, after writing down, we got this situation where we can cancel out 180 180, right? So what we got, n will be go this side and n will be sum of p plus q, right? So similar this process we can do on this triangle, which is looking very interesting as well. Okay, let's do this. And I painted this green color. Okay, so this is r, right? And this is m, which will be vertically opposite angle. This will be m and this will be r. So we have to find this angle, right? This angle. And as we can see, x and y are parallel to each other, then there will be alternative angle which forms z, right? This z angle here and here will be same, right? So you can say that this is 180 minus n as well, and this will be r and this will be m, right? So let's write the similar process in this triangle as well. So after writing down the condition, we got this, and we can cancel here also 180 180, right? So what will be the result? The result will be n will be equal to sum of r plus m as well, right? So here also n and here also n, right? So if sum of p plus q is n and sum of r plus m is also n, then they both must be equal as well, right? Because both are n. So let's write this here. So we got these two equations, so let's write it down. And we got this condition, and as I first mentioned in this video, this equation might be very helpful here, right? So what we have, q is bigger than r, right? Q is bigger than r, right? Q is bigger than r and r is smaller than q, right? So what will be the condition here? This is here equal to, right? So left hand side must be equal to right hand side, right? So if q is bigger, right? If it is bigger and if r is smaller, then to satisfy the condition, p should be small, right? P should be small because q is already big here, and because r is already small here, m must be big, right? M must be big, so it will be LHS is equal to RHS, right? Because here is equal to, so Let's understand this by an example also. Okay, so here let's suppose like q is 10 and r is 5, right? Because we know q is greater than 5, we're just assuming a random value to satisfy the condition, right? So okay, let's suppose p is a value. Okay, okay, let's suppose it is like 5. If p is 5, right? If p is 5, and what will be the sum? It will be 15, right? It will be 15, and here also it should be 15, so it is already 5, so here should be 10, right? So what we got, m is big and p is small, right? Here also, just because we have to satisfy this condition, as we already have q is bigger and r is smaller, we must have our p less than m, right? So what will be the condition? M will be greater than p, right? M will be greater than p. So which option is saying this? Option B. So this is our answer. Okay, so this question is very tricky, and I'm saying this, guys, this is one of the most important question you will ever tackle. Okay, so thank you.